Hi, I'm Zach LaRue here at Beyond the Box, and today we're going to show you how to install a floating shelf. Some tools that you need is a screw gun, tape measure, level, stud finder, pencil, and screws. Today we're using 3-inch screws. Alright, so first step, you want to locate your studs. Okay, so we have marked our studs and determined our location to put it, and now we're going to mount our bracket onto the wall. Alright, now when you get up there, put one screw in, and then you can take your level and make sure you're nice and straight. Make adjustments. All right, so now we're level, and we'll go ahead and put the other screws in. Okay, now it's time to put the shelf on the brackets. It should be a nice snug fit. And there it is. Simple as that.